Hey y'all, it's Labrisca with My Eclectic Treasures, and today I am showing you how to make a beginning crochet chain. I am right-handed, so these are instructions for a right-handed crocheter. If you are left-handed, you will want to use the opposite hand. To begin your chain, you are going to take your yarn and wrap it around your first 2 or 3 fingers to make a circle, like you are going to tie it. You are going to push your yarn through the circle that you just made and use your crochet hook to pull the loop up through the circle. Drop the circle and grab the yarn that's connected to your skein and pull tight. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this again. Okay, you're going to loop it around your fingers. I usually loop it around the first 2 or 3 fingers on my left hand. Okay, you see I'm looping it around and I'm going to pull it through like I'm going to tie it, but I'm just going to take my crochet hook and pull the yarn through. I'm going to release the circle that I've made and I'm going to take my 2 ends and pull. Now you will take the yarn that is connected to your skein and pull tight. And this is the beginning of your chain. The next thing to do is to figure out how you're going to loop it around your finger. I loop mine around my index finger, and you can see here I show you a couple of times how I loop it around my finger. This is the way that I do it that's the most comfortable for me. You may do it differently than I do. Now, to begin your chain, you're going to take your crochet hook and go under your yarn, grab your yarn, and pull it through the loop that's on your hook. And just continue doing that. Take your hook, go underneath the yarn, grab the yarn, kind of twist it, and then pull it through the loop on your hook. And you're going to continue doing that same motion over and over again for how many chains that you need that are required for whatever pattern it is that you're working on. I am just making a random chain. I don't have a particular number that I'm going for. I'm just showing you how to continue to make your chain. You just take your hook, go under your yarn, grab your yarn, kind of twist to the left, and then pull through the loop on your hook. One last tip. While I am chaining, I like to hold on to the chain that I have already made to make sure that my stitches are evenly spaced. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on the My Eclectic Treasures page. And I hope that you will follow along for more crochet tutorials.